BMW, as one of the world's leading car brands, is famous for making luxury and high-performance cars. Every BMW car is designed with the perfect combination of advanced technology and sophisticated aesthetics, providing the ultimate driving experience. From comfortable sedans, powerful SUVs, to stylish sports cars, BMW is committed to bringing maximum customer satisfaction with outstanding quality and groundbreaking design. In this video, join me in exploring the mass production line of BMW cars at the BMW factory, where more than 2 million BMW cars are produced each year. The BMW car production process begins with the design and development phase, where creativity and advanced technology meet to create classy cars. First, talented designers will sketch their ideas by hand. This is an important first step in determining the shape and style of the vehicle. Each drawing is a work of art, expressing the vision and creative ideas of each designer. Once a satisfactory design is chosen, designers will use clay modeling and simulation technology to perfect the design. Clay models help them better visualize the size and shape of the car, thereby adjusting and perfecting small details. This is an important step in moving from an idea on paper to an actual model, helping to ensure that the design is not only pleasing to the eye, but also technically feasible. Finally, they will produce the finished design, and the BMW will be ready to enter the production phase, where creative ideas will become reality. This is a high-strength steel roll used for the vehicle frame stamping process. Stamping machines like this will be responsible for stamping the details of the vehicle frame. Modern stamping technology is applied to ensure that chassis parts are formed accurately and evenly. Steel plates are stamped into details with high precision, creating a sturdy and safe vehicle frame. The stamping process not only helps shape the parts, but also ensures consistency within each product, contributing to the overall quality of the vehicle. After stamping, the chassis parts will be transferred by the robot to the welding process. Here, modern automation technology continues to be applied with automatic robots welding vehicle frame parts together. This automatic welding process ensures absolute precision and helps increase the strength of the chassis. Welds are made evenly and firmly, ensuring that the chassis can withstand large impact forces and provide maximum safety for users. The automated robot system is programmed to perform welds consistently and accurately, eliminating human errors and increasing production productivity. Thanks to that, every BMW car ensures the highest quality standards with a solid, safe, and durable chassis. After the welding process is completed, the welds will be automatically checked by the robot to review each weld, detect and immediately fix any errors. Thanks to ultrasonic technology, X-ray imaging and magnetic testing, we ensure that all welds meet the highest quality standards. The welding and inspection of the welds and chassis is complete. They will be moved to the painting stage, an important step in the production process to ensure the vehicle is not only durable, but also has a perfect appearance. First, all chassis are put through a tank of cleaning solution. This process helps remove dirt, grease, and other impurities on the chassis surface, preparing it for the next painting step. This cleaning solution not only helps keep the vehicle frame surface clean, but also helps increase the adhesion of the paint layer later. After cleaning, the chassis is put through a primer tank. The entire chassis will be immersed in a bath of primer to ensure that the primer coats all surfaces, from hidden corners to the most difficult to reach locations. The priming process is done by completely immersing the vehicle frame in a paint bath, ensuring that every small detail is coated with primer evenly. This is an important step to create a sustainable foundation for future color and protective paint layers. Next, the chassis will continue to be dried and quality tested. This process ensures that the primer has adhered perfectly and is free of any defects before proceeding to the next painting steps. After the primer layer is completed, the BMW car frame will continue to be moved to the finishing paint stage. This is the final step in the painting process, where the vehicle's flawless appearance is created with great precision and sophistication. At this stage, the robot automatically takes on the task of painting the car frame. Automatic painting technology not only helps ensure absolute accuracy, but also increases production productivity, reducing time and costs. Completing the painting process, ultrasound and X-ray technology are again applied to check and detect potential errors on the painted surface. Ultrasonic and X-ray technology allows the detection of the smallest defects that are invisible to the naked eye, ensuring that the paintwork on every BMW vehicle meets the highest quality standards. The finishing process begins with the assembly of interior details. The dashboard is carefully installed, where electronic details and central controls are integrated. The dashboard not only contains important control systems, but is also designed to create a feeling of luxury and comfort for the driver and passengers. Next, the seat is installed into position. The engine and transmission system will also be assembled. This is the heart of every BMW car, where the most advanced technology and engineering are applied. Finally, the accessories and exterior details will be assembled. Once fully assembled, the vehicle will undergo a series of final tests to ensure every system and function is working as designed. This inspection includes testing the engine, transmission, electrical system, and other functions such as air conditioning and entertainment systems. The functions work perfectly, and the car is also ready to leave the factory.